if you are learning React, then this project will be very helpful for you. It is a blog project using React. No backend is used here. So I have used an array of 4 elements for these 4 posts here: 4, 3rd, 2nd and 1st post. Okay, now I will describe the features I used here. Click on any post, you can see its detail content, or click on these 3 dots, you will see the detail content of the post. Here you can use post ID to show the post. If you provide any ID that is not available, then it will show you post not found. It has also search facility to search for any post. See, I am searching for first post or second post. Okay, similarly you can create a new post. This is a new post. This is a new post created for testing purpose. Then submit. So see, new post is created, but as I said, I am using an array of posts. I am using an object. I am not using any background, any backend to store posts. So when I refresh it, again that post will be deleted. You will see only these 4 static posts. Okay, then here I have about page, and clicking on home page will again come back to your home page. You can delete a post. Let us delete our 3rd post. So click here, then delete post. This post will be deleted. Okay, so if you have learned any backend technology, then you can attach to this, but only for learning React. This is a very good project for beginners.